What does the abbreviation PIL stand for? Right answer is option B, public interest litigation. Which of the following rivers form the Sundarban Delta? Right answer is option A, Ganga and Brahmaputra. Friends, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra form the world's largest delta, the Sundarbans Delta. It is located across the South 24 Parganas and North 24 Parganas district of West Bengal. Sundarbans National Park, established in 1984, constitutes a core region within the Tiger Reserve. It was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. Sundarbans was designated as a Biosphere Reserve by UNESCO in 2001. In which state is Homestake, America's largest gold mining mine, located? Right answer is option A, South Dakota. CDMA stands for? Right answer is option D, Code Division Multiple Access. Blank contributed to the theories of inheritance or traits in living things. Right answer is option B, Gregor Mendel. Friends, Gregor John Mendel is called the father of genetics. He did his experiment on pea plant. Mendel was the first to study the 7 types of properties present in the pea plant and propound 3 rules like laws of dependence, law of segregation, law of independent assortment. Which act abolished the Council of India, established by the Government of India Act 1858? Right answer is option A, Government of India Act 1935. Friends, the Government of India Act 1935 abolished the Council of India, established by the Government of India Act 1858. The Government of India Act 1935 abolished diarchy in the province and introduced provincial autonomy. Government of India Act 1935 provided for the establishment All India Federation, which consists of princely states and provinces as units. Which among the following is the highest mountain peak in South America? Right answer is option C, Mount Aconcagua. Friends, Aconcagua is the highest mountain peak in the Andes Mountains of South America. It is located in the Andes mountain range, Argentina. Its height is 6,962 meters. Who has become the first woman to win the Abel Prize? Right answer is option D, Karen Uhlenbeck. Friends, the Abel Prize is named after Norwegian mathematician Niels Henrich. It is called the Nobel Prize of Mathematics. The most volatile part of the organized money market in India is? Right answer is option A, call money market. Gilt-edged market means? Right answer is option D, market of government securities. Friends, in the gilt-edged market, government and semi-government securities are bought and sold through the Reserve Bank. Gilt-edged means best or excellent. It is called excellent because the value of these government and semi-government securities remains stable. Which article of the Indian Constitution abolished the practice of untouchability? Right answer is option B, Article 17. Friends, Article 17 of the Indian Constitution eliminates the practice of untouchability. Parliament passed an Untouchability Offence Act in 1955. However, this act was further amended and also renamed in the year of 1976 as Protection of the Civil Rights Act 1955. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Right answer is option A, President. Friends, the President appoints the Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioner of India. They have a tenure of 6 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. The Chief Election Commissioner can be removed from office only through impeachment by Parliament. The power of the Indian Election Commission comes from Article 324 of the Indian Constitution. Which among the following viceroy period the title of Rai Bahadur and Khan Bahadur were began to conferred to Indian? Right answer is option C, Lord Lytton. Friends, Lord Lytton has been considered the most reactionary Governor General of British India. Its purpose was to suppress the spirit of emerging Indian nationalism. He was the Viceroy of India from 1876 to 1880. On which principle optical fiber works? Right answer is option C, total internal reflection. Friends, an optical fiber is a flexible transparent fiber. It is made up of glass, silica or plastic. It is slightly thicker than human hair. It is usually used in endoscopy and fiber optic communications. Which is the chemical name of rat poison? Right answer is option D, zinc phosphide. The study of bones is done under the branch of science called? Right answer is option B, osteology. Drinking of alcohol affects? Right answer is option C, cerebellum. Which railway station will be renamed as Dr. M.G. Ramchandran was done? Right answer is option A, Chennai Central Railway Station. Friends, the Chennai Central Railway Station has been renamed as Dr. M.G. Ramchandran Chennai Central Railway Station. Dr. M.G. Ramchandran is founder of All India Anna Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam. Which is the highest civilian honor of India? Right answer is option C, Bharat Ratna. Friends, Bharat Ratna is country's highest civilian award. It was established in 1954. Any person without distinction of caste, occupation, position, gender or religion is eligible for this award. It is awarded for exceptional service or performance of the highest order in any field of human service.